All right, good morning, guys. Warm up number 23, the answer. I don't think I'm actually going to write anything down. I think I'm just going to actually, yeah, I think I'm just going to end up talking about it and pointing some things out to you. First thing, it says the amount of money that high school students spend on fast food each month is usually between $50 and $200. However, there are a few students who do not eat fast food at all. What measure of spread would be most appropriate to measure the amount of money that high school students spend on fast food per month? So it already ends up varying. The most amount of money they spend is 200. The least amount of money they spend is zero. Key thing is, what measure of spread would be most appropriate? Well, let's already get rid of some that don't make sense. The mean wouldn't make any sense because you have people that spend zero amount of dollars, okay, all the way up to 200. So the mean's not going to end up working in this instance. Range, well, think about it. That's just taking the biggest number minusing the smallest number. Well, 200 minus 0 is 200. Not going to work. Standard deviation also includes, it's pretty much a more complicated version of finding means or dealing with means. So that's not going to work as well. Enter quartile range. Remember, that's quartile 3 minus quartile 1. And when you find that, that's going to be the best measure of spread. That's pretty much it. Just an educated guess. Even if you guys aren't 100% sure, just try to eliminate some bad answers. Mean, range, not the best choices here. So it's going to end up coming down to interquartile range. All right, that's it. Thanks, guys.